All right, y'all, let's talk drones. Whether you're chasing sunsets on a shoestring or ready to drop some serious coin, I've got the best picks for jaw-dropping drone photos, no matter your budget. First up, for my budget-minded folks, check out the Rise Tello. It's tiny, but man, with a solid 5MP camera and easy controls, you'll be snapping sharp shots in no time. Perfect for beginners or just having fun. Now, if you want a little more bang for your buck, the DJI Mini 2 is where it's at. This beauty's got a 12MP camera, shoots 4K video, and fits right in your palm. Light, quiet, and legal in most places without registration. Pretty slick, huh? Got a bit more to spend? The Autel EVO Lite Plus brings pro-style photos at a mid-range price. That big old 1-inch sensor soaks up sunlight for crisp, vibrant shots, even when the sun's calling it a day. Dreaming bigger. The DJI Air 2S is a powerhouse. We're talking 20MP stills, 5.4K video, and obstacle sensors on all sides. You can fly with confidence and capture pro-level images without emptying your wallet completely. And for those of y'all who want the best of the best, the holy grail is the DJI Mavic 3. Dual cameras, Hasselblad color, 46 minutes of airtime. It's like flying a studio in the sky. So whether you're just starting out or already a high-flying shutterbug, there's a drone to fit your dreams and your budget. Now go on, get out there and start snapping those stunners. Don't forget to fly safe. And hey, drop your best shots in the comments. Visit our website, raisingdrones.com.